How to modify cookies in requests. I couldn't find any documentations regarding cookies modification in the official website, i.e. no API doc for requests.cookies.requestscookiejar. For example, now I want to change value of nid. If I do session.cookies, nid equals ABC, it would ended up with duplicated keys like the following. My current approach is to do session.cookies, nid equals none first. This removes the key value, and then session.cookies, nid equals ABC. This sometimes works, but it completely ignores the cookies attributes. What is a proper way of doing it?
As you can see, your cookie has no domain specified for it, so it's actually another cookie. Using domain and path, we'll set new cookie instead of the previously defined one. RequestCookieJar is a wrapper for CookieLib.CookieJar, but if you want to modify cookie attributes in place so that you reference the actual CookieLib.Cookie objects, I found no better way than to use Iterator. If you look into the sources of requests.cookies.requestCookieJar, there are just no other methods that let you access items themselves and not their name/value fields.
For me, worked.
Flash Hotel,